Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming all of the post-kit reviews that I have had stacked up. I've been working on kits and then I forget to put them on Instagram and definitely forget to put them on YouTube. So we are going to start with this one here. So this one is called Reina. It's a Mica Gelina diamond painting. Now she is well known if you're in the adult coloring community. Beautiful stuff. I had always wanted to do this one. I bought it a long time ago. There was only 18 colors, so that was rather nice. It's like, oh, this is the smallest thing I've ever kitted up. But don't let the 18 colors fool you, because look at how well this is rendered considering you're working with nothing but 18 colors. Like even her face compared to other kids looks amazing. So yeah, I was kind of like, wow, 18 colors. Lots of color blocking in the background, obviously, as you can see. I'm not gonna lie, like this part here, believe it or not, was rather tedious, but it's because you have so many different shades of brown up in here that it took some time. And then yeah, like we've got our ABs everywhere, including like throughout the background. Now I do have one complaint. When I bought this kit, this is the artwork. So it looked more all browns, right? Light brown, cream colors. That's not what you actually get. I mean, this is brown, but it's not like the brown tones in the picture. And this is peach, like full out peach. So that part was a little bit of a disappointment. Not gonna lie, I was like, oh, well, I guess we're doing peach. But I do love how it turned out. If I would have had time to go buy enough drills, it would have taken a lot though, because this is a ton of one color. But I probably would have gone and gotten like a different, like more creamish color and used that instead, because I was just so bummed with the peach. I don't know, it didn't give me that vintagey. I guess I was hoping it would have a vintagey look, so that was my thing. It is a square kit. All the drills fit nice and tight, and considering this is a little bit older of a Diamond Art Club kit, I was happy, because some older ones are a little loose. You don't get that satisfying crunch for one, and then also you get a lot of gaps if you're not careful, but this one was a nice tight fit. I had like almost no trash drills. I didn't have any issues. I love how much ABs are throughout this one. And I'll do a quick like scroll up and down so you can take a look at it. But yeah, I really enjoyed this one, minus the peach. I had asked if anyone wanted to buy the finished ones that I don't want to hang, and a few of you have commented on it, so I'm just trying to figure out what to do with them. Right now they are on, I'm just posting them on my Etsy store, and it's the same price it would be otherwise. Honestly, you're just covering shipping mostly, because it has to go in the large tube, and you just can't ship those cheaply. But yeah, so check my Etsy store out if you want to buy any of the completed paintings, because this will definitely be one of them. I do like it, it's not going to be one I'm going to hang up. But it was fun. 18 colors, did it pretty quickly. She's even got ABs in her cheeks. So yeah, I'll do like a little pan shot for you, and until next time, take care. Bye now.